Welcome guys, back to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing the Battle. I don't know why I sound dramatic, but I'm back with another video, Battle Cats. As you can see, it makes too much noise, so I'm going to lower that volume. The Battle Cats. I just started, so about this game, and I was like, maybe I should get someone to play, and I got you guys. This game is free on Androids. The basically is the game. I lost this one, so don't judge. Hurry up before they get past the law. Okay, basically the cat that is right there attacks, and I can't get to use one until I get 100 of that, and plus I'm gonna get it already. Until I get 200, I can't get this one yet. So I have to keep on upgrading this so I can get more of these. And they start dying. If they're pink, you have to get more of them, because that's how it works. And if they're too close, you can always shoot them. See how this armor is here? I already upgraded my thing, so we can get past. Now I have this one. It doesn't shoot people more. It only shoots through there. So if any of them gets past, I shoot them. And plus I can shoot them here. See, they go poof. And I lost this level, and I clearly forgot I was supposed to attack their thing. Like this part. And plus I need to upgrade my thing. So, I don't know, I think it's called the battle station. Okay, I'm upgrading my battle station. As soon as I'm done with this ad. See how close we're getting to his thing? We have to keep on fighting so we can get closer to the thing. I'm gonna just do it because that annoys me all the time. See? We're taking down the health of their banana base, I think. I got distracted. The TV is open, so I got distracted. Oh god. I have to make an army like I did last. If they get past, I'll just shoot them. There's no problem. I'm not doing that. That's wasting my thing. My laser thing. My laser battery. And it has to charge. And then it goes back down. Charge. And then go back down. So no. Until they go past. One simple pass. No, all of them need to go past. See how they're hitting him? He's gonna go back. And that's the end of them. Poof. As you see, I need to make an army because these little guys are strong. You might be saying, how's this strong? How the little guys are strong? It's because every time I get a new animal, they get a new animal, and I versus a computer. So after I'm versus a tablet, it's just like multi. I don't know who's playing. I think it's like Battle Dogs, Humans, and Snakes. For them, I think. God. I'm making an army here. Victory! See, that's what you call. There is a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Oh, I know this cat. Okay, I'm gonna cover it. Oh no, you can't. You got I don't know how to cover it. So, but basically, this cat is a long-legged cat. the girl's cat. If there's anything I can't censor, so don't judge me, YouTube. It's called the long-legged cat. I'm called the long-legged cat. Look, they always get. Oh, hold up. Escape. Yes. Oh, no, hold on. I forgot what I was doing. So I have to go to here. Hold up, what? Touch your car. I had real food? I thought I just got some food last time. Hold up. Oh, I can't get food. I clearly keep forgetting to do this. So I'm gonna increase the health, not the power. The health. Yeah, that's health. So it's +3 health, so I think this would be good. Because they keep on upgrading their health. And I didn't upgrade it a long time ago. It's about night time. Oh, I'm afraid I can't show you this fight. I will show you it next time. If you guys are welcome to see me use the long-legged cat, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see the long-legged cat. Bye!